Well, thank you very much for having me. 73, have a great weekend. You are good.
Kilo Alpha 1, Mike.
Alright, I tried to write a couple of you down there. I got a Kilo Delta 1, Mike.
It's Kilo Alpha 1, Mike.
Kilo Alpha 1, Mike. Walter and Windsor Locks, I've got you a 5 and 7 into Park Kilo 1660 from Kilo Charlie 1, Mike Echo Bravo, QSL?
QSL, Dean, I got you a 5-9 plus 20 here in Windsor Locks.
Well, thank you very much for the contact and for being patient. Definitely appreciated.
Whiskey Delta Charlie.
Whiskey 2, Whiskey Delta Charlie, I've got you a 5 and 9 from Kilo Charlie 1, Mike Echo Bravo in Park Kilo 1660, QSL?
QSL, did you say Kilo Charlie 1? Come back again with that? you said that kind of fast.
Absolutely. Kilo Charlie 1, Mike Echo Bravo.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1, Mike Echo Bravo, QSL. Okay, my name is Malahit Whiskey India Lima, Oscar November. Pleased to meet you, and your radio sounds good. 5-9, coming into the Big Apple, QSL.
Well, thank you, Willem, for the contact. I go by the handle of Bean, which is Bravo Echo Alpha November. I do appreciate the contact from Kilo Charlie 1, Mike Echo Bravo, QSL.
Okay, QSL, okay, make sure you take care. You have a beautiful weekend. God bless you. Get back. QSL.
QSL, thank you so much. 73.
Okay, 73, solid, 73.